Do you have problem of cough, cold, running nose? Then do take Tanvi Herbal's Santhakaf tablet. It's herbal concentrated tablet which is 10 times better than ordinary herbal powders tablet. So Tanvi Herbal's Santhakaf tablet works very well on running nose, frequent cold problems. It's a best tonic on hair and skin complaints also. And Santhakaf tablet even works for body pain and many other complaints also. In children, we see that frequent cough cold complaints reduce the immunity, and then what happens is it overall reflects on their growth. So if you give best Tanvi Herbal's Santhakaf tablet as a herbal natural treatment, then even children will don't have frequent cough cold problems. So Santhakaf is a best treatment on your cold cough problems, and it works on many other complaints also.